Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to clear your YouTube search history on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your YouTube search history on your iPhone, first open up your YouTube app, and after that guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon. Now in order to clear your search history on your iPhone, make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to clear your search history, and after that tap on your profile picture icon or your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And over here guys, you can see once of your options are available over here, including at the top you can select either this account is the one on which you want to clear your search history or not. After confirming it, we can see the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Click on that settings, and over here guys you can see the manage all history option available for us just below the connected apps or just above the privacy tab on manage all history. And all of your YouTube history across the time will be available over here, now including your watch history and your search history. You can see guys, some of the search history are still over here for me, you can see. And now in order to delete them, you can see there is the delete button available for us over here. Where there is the delete, just tap on it and you will be able to choose to delete. Either you want to delete your search history or clear your search history just of today or for custom range or all time. I will be just deleting it for today and not custom range and all time. So to do that, just tap on delete today, and you can see all of you can see guys, don't auto delete activity, these are things will pop up. And let's choose on the custom. I was going to delete off the custom just today, I accidentally tap on custom range, so let's tap on delete today. And you can see guys, the search history of one day has been deleted. Similarly, you can also delete it for all time and custom range. And with that being said guys, this is how you delete your search history of your YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.